Welcome to this channel, which is contain the advanced technology in manufacturing. Just here you have seen the drone, which is drawn in the SolidWorks. So I wish you to follow step by step for how making the sketch of this drone. And this channel shows us more advanced where you can use a SolidWorks tutorial and use the CNC command control. And I wish you to follow all the instruction for how. This is a CNC welding machine which uses the MIG for welding the workpiece and is there for minimizing the defect where it rotates in every axis for making welding. So thank you for seeing this video.